Welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey. Today we're going to be doing some chicken wings. And this will be my first time trying this combination, so we're going to see how it works out. So what we're going to use is this Heath Rouse Pecan rub and the Heath Rouse honey rub. So we're going to be making some honey pecan wings. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's do it. So as I said, we're gonna make some honey pecan wings. First, we're gonna get our spray oil on the chicken wings to help that rub adhere to the meat. And the first thing we're gonna do is this pecan rub. It's gonna be the base layer. And I'm doing the bottom side first, because of course you want the presentation side to look the best. I'm gonna come over top of that with the honey rub. And we'll just pat this in and do it all over again on the other side. And we're just gonna pat that in. Then we're gonna let that just sit, maybe about 10-15 minutes. We're gonna get it on the Char-Griller Gravity 980, which I got set at 325 degrees. I'm also gonna put these wings on a wire rack just to make it easier to get it on and off, so I don't have to move each individual piece. But meet you back at the smoker. All right, like I said, we got the 980 at 325 degrees. Go ahead and sit these in the middle. And we'll check back on these in about 20 minutes. Okay, we've actually been on here for 30 minutes. Take a look at it. That's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with some spray butter. Y'all know how I do. And then I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over and do the same thing to the back side. All right, we're gonna let this go for about 15 to 20 more minutes. Okay, it's been another 20 minutes. What we're gonna do here, I'm gonna check the temperature of it. That was around 160, about 158. 167, 167. Okay, I like to take mine up to about 185. So what I'm gonna do, we'll go ahead and spray this. And we'll check back on these in about 15 minutes. All right, we've been 15 more minutes. I love the color on them. Let me just go and get a quick temp. It's about 171, 168. 175, So I'm gonna let them keep going. Getting about 10 more minutes. All right, let's take been a total about an hour and 10 minutes. It's gonna take a check on the temps. That's 186. Okay. Yep, look like we're ready. I'll be taking these off now. Okay, so we finished. Total cook time about an hour and 10 minutes. And I'm just ready to get into it. So let's go on the try. This piece right here looks good. Usually I'm a flats man, but it's a whole wing. Tender and juicy, just the way I like it, with that bite through skin. Taste that honey, a little bit of that pecan rub. Man, this is awesome. This is awesome. Sorry, one more bite. Okay, thank y'all for joining me today. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up, and leave a comment. Let me know if you want me to make something special just for you. Whatever. But either way, this was a great cook. This was a great taste. If I forgot to say it, ring that bell. And yeah, I'm out. Peace.